The typewriter is creating a revolution in Piatri, pushing back the frontiers and opening up fresh fields unheard of by Don or Bleak. Mine is a Swedish maid called Facet. Others are Olympia or Aristocart, Frementong or Lolitevi, Tab-E or not Tab-E, i.e. the question. Tie girl, burning bride, why this is L nor my outfit. Anyone can audit. You too can be a teapot. C! Exclamation, asterisk, 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 stairs and slash, strips, cloaca and plus minus, far keys to success, a bonus of +% for all future Piats, LSD and dollar. The typewriter is Cretan, a revolution in Piatri. All nem are equal. Oh, how they pound away at underwords and alouettes, without a facet, cry I.